Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up and use the task estimation feature in teamwork.com. First, log into your teamwork.com account. This step is vital as it's where all your projects and tasks are managed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project you want to estimate tasks for. The reason we do this is because task estimation is project-specific and allows for more accurate project planning. Now that we've done that, click on Tasks at the top of your project dashboard. This will open a drop-down menu. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is gathering all the tasks linked to your chosen project. Next, click on Task Estimations. This feature helps you assign an estimated time to each task, improving time management and productivity. Now, type in your time estimate for each task. You can input your estimates in hours or days, depending on the complexity of the task. Remember, your estimated times should be realistic and achievable. This helps us because it keeps the team on track and avoids setting impossible deadlines. After you've input all your task estimations, don't forget to click Save Changes. This step is crucial as it stores your task estimates ready for you and your team to start working. Lastly, to view your saved task estimations, navigate back to the Tasks tab and click on Task List. Each task will now display its estimated time. This lets you and your team see at a glance how long each task is expected to take, promoting a more efficient workflow. And that's it. You've now set up and are ready to use the task estimation feature in teamwork.com. This will help streamline your project management and improve your team's productivity. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.